Welcome to JMC Learning. Today our lesson is algebraic fraction. What are the algebraic fractions? You know the algebraic terms. Using these algebraic terms, we are making algebraic fractions. I'll give one example. X plus 3 over 2. Here in the numerator you can see an algebraic term. That means this is an algebraic fraction. Another example, 2x plus 1 over 3x plus y. Here you can see two different algebraic terms, and algebraic terms can see in the numerator and the denominator both. That means this one also a algebraic fraction. Let's discuss some examples. The first question is x over 5 plus 2x over 5. Here can you see all the denominators are equal to each other. When the denominators are equal to each other, you have to simplify only the numerators. Then 5 is the common denominator. Let's simplify the numerators. X plus 2x. By simplifying the numerators, you can take the answer as 3x over 5. Then let's do the second question. 2a plus 1 over 3 plus a minus 1 over 4. Here denominators are different to each other. So you have to take the equal denominator. How can you take equal denominators? You have to find the LCM of these two denominators. Denominators are 3 and 4. Let's find the LCM of these two numbers. You have to divide these numbers using prime numbers. Smallest prime number is 2. Let's divide this by 2. 3 can't divide by 2, so let's put 3. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Then again we can divide this one using 2. Here 3, 2 divided by 2 is 1. The remaining number is 3. 3 also a prime number. Let's divide this one by 3. 1, 1. When you find the LCM, you have to divide using the prime numbers until take the 1 here. Then LCM of 3 and 4 is, you have to multiply these numbers. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. Then let's take the common denominator as 12. Then there are 4 3's in 12. That means you have to multiply this numerator part by 4. 4 multiplied by 2a plus 1. Add. There are 4 3's in 12. That means you have to multiply a minus 1 part by 3. A minus 1. Then let's simplify the numerator. 4 into 2a, 8a, plus 4 into 1, 4, plus 3 into a, 3a, minus 3 into 1, 3. Denominator is 12. Let's simplify them. 8a plus 3a is equal to 11a, plus 4 minus 3 is equal to plus 1 over 12. This is the answer. Then let's move to next example. 3x plus 2 over y plus 5 plus 7 over y plus 5. Here also denominators are equal to each other. That means you have to simplify only the numerators. Then y plus 5 is the common denominator. Let's simplify the numerator. 3x plus 2 plus 7. Then here 3x plus 2 and plus 7 plus 9. Denominator y plus 5. This is the answer. Then fourth example, 7 over a minus 5 over a plus 3 over a. Here also denominators are equal to each other. Take the common denominator as a. Let's simplify the numerators. 7 minus 5 plus 3. 7 minus 5, what is the answer? 2. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 over a is the answer. Now we are going to explain about unequal algebraic terms. First example, 5 over 2x plus 1 over x. Here denominators are different to each other, they are unequal. So you have to take equal denominators, take the LCM of 2x and x. 2x and x. How? What is the LCM? Let's divide first by 2, left x, here also x. Then again divide by x, left 1, left 1. You have to divide until take 1 here. Then LCM is equal to 2 into x. Then LCM is 2x. 2x is the common denominator. Take 2x as the denominator and make the numerators. Here 2x are equal to each other, so numerator also 5. Then you have to multiply this x by 2 to take that 2x. So multiply 2 by this 1. Then answer is 5 add 2 into 1, 2 over 2x. By simplifying this numerator, 5 add 2 is equal to 7 over 2x is the answer. Then second example, 8 over 9y minus 2 over 3y. Here also denominators are different to each other. Let's take the LCM of these two denominators, 9y and 3y. We can divide these both by 3. Then when you divide these each numbers by 3, here we can take the answer as 3y, here y. Then again let's divide by 3, here left y, we can't divide this one by 3, then put y. Now divide by y, left 1, 1. Then LCM is equal to, multiply this all, 3 into y, answer is 9y. Take the equal denominator as 9y. Here also 9y, so you can keep the same numerator here, 8 minus. To take 9y, you have to multiply this part by 3. Then 3 into 2. Let's simplify this one. 8 minus 3 into 2, 6 over 9y. 8 subtract 6 is equal to 2 over 9y. This is the answer. The next example, 1 over x plus 1 over y. Different denominators. Then here common denominator is by multiplying these two we are taking as x, y. Then x is there, so you have to multiply this one by y. Y into 1, y plus y is there, left x, x into 1, x. Answer is y plus x over xy. The next example, 3 over x squared y plus x over x y squared. Take the LCM of these two denominators, x squared y and x y squared. First we can divide this both by x. Here left xy, here y squared. Then let's divide again by x, left y, y squared. Then divide by y, here 1, here left only 1y. Again you have to divide by y, then 1, 1. What is the LCM? multiply this all. X into y into y. Then x squared y squared. This is the common denominator. Then x squared y squared is the common denominator. Then when you consider about these two denominators, you have to multiply by y this numerator, 3 into y, because 2x are in there, only one y is there, here 2. So you have to multiply this y by 3 by y. Then plus here 2 squared y, then only one x left, then again multiply x into x. Simplify 3 into y, 3y plus x squared over x squared y squared. This is the answer. Next example, 2 over 5a squared plus 4 over 15a minus 1 over 10. You have to take the denominator of these all. Let's take the equal denominator of them. 5a squared, 15a and 10. This all you can divide by 5. Then a squared, 3a, here left 2. Then let's divide it by 3. A squared, a, here 2. Divide by 2, a squared, a, here 1. Then we will divide this by algebraic term, a, here left 1a, here 1, 1. Again divide by a, 1, 1, 1. Then LCM is equal to, let's multiply this all, 5 into 3 into 2 into a. Then 5 into 3, 15, 15 into 2, 30, and 30a squared is the common denominator. 30a squared. Then a squared is there, then no need to multiply by a squared. Then to take 30, you have to multiply 5 by 6. Then 2 multiply by 6 plus here 15. Then 15 you have to multiply by 2 to take that 30. Then 4 multiply by 2, and here only one a is there. Here there are 2 a's. So you have to multiply this one again by a. Minus, here denominator is 10. To take 30, you have to multiply this number by 3, and there is no any a's, but in this denominator there are 2 a's. You have to multiply it by a squared. Then let's take the final answer. 2 into 6, 12 plus 4 into 2a, 8a minus 1 into 3a squared is equal to 3a squared over 30a squared. This is the final answer. Now we are going to simplify with the binomial unequal denominators. Then here 3 over x plus 5 plus 4 over x plus 2. Denominators are different. You have to take equal denominators. By multiplying these two, you can take the equal denominator. Then x plus 5 into x plus 2 is the common denominator. Then here numerator is 3. X plus 5 is in that fraction, so you have to multiply this fraction by the other left part, that is x plus 2. Plus here numerator is 4, that one you have to multiply by x plus 5. Let's simplify the numerator. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 2, 6, plus 4 into x, 4x, plus 4 into 5, 20. Denominator is x plus 5 x plus 2. Let's simplify further that numerator. 3x plus 4x, 7x. 6 plus 20 plus 26 over x plus 5, x plus 2. This is the final answer. Next example, 3 over x minus 1 over x plus 2. Then how can you take the common denominator? By multiplying these two denominators, you can take the common denominator. X into x plus 2. Here 3 you have to multiply by x plus 2. Here minus 1. This part you have to multiply by x. Let's simplify the numerator. 3 into x, 3x, plus 3 into 2, 6, minus 1 into x, x, over x into x plus 2. Then 3x and minus x, answer is 2x plus 6 over x into x plus 2. This is the final answer. Next example, 4 over 3x plus 2 minus 3 over 5x plus 1. Then by multiplying these two denominators, you can take the common denominator. It is 3x plus 2 into 5x plus 1. Let's make the numerator. 4 you have to multiply by the other part, 5x plus 1, minus 3 you have to multiply by 3x plus 2. 4 into 5x, 20x, 4 into 1, 4, minus 3 into plus 3x, minus 9x, minus 3 into plus 2, minus 6, over 3x plus 2, 5x plus 1. Then let's simplify the numerator. 20x minus 9x, what is the answer? 11x, plus 4 minus 6x, then answer is minus 2. Denominator is 3x plus 2, 5x plus 1. That's the final answer. The next example is 9 over a minus 2 subtract 4 over 2 minus a. Then in this part you can take equal denominators. How? Let's take minus out. Let's keep this fraction like this and keep the minus part of this part out. Then when you take minus out, here 2 is turned into minus number and a is turned to plus number. Then a minus 2, like that way. Then here minus minus plus, you can write the question as a minus 2 plus 4 over a minus 2. Now denominators are equal to each other. Simply you can take the final answer. A minus 2, let's add the numerator. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Then final answer is 13 over a minus 2. Let's move to another example. It is 5 over 3 into x plus 1 minus 2 over 4 into x plus 1. Here in the denominator whole numbers are 3 and 4. You have to take the equal denominators of 3 and 4 first. Earlier we have found this one, it is 12. Then x plus 1 part is common to each other. So for the equal denominator you have to take x plus 1. This is the common denominator. Then x plus 1 is in the both sum. Here 3. There are 4 3's in 12. So you have to multiply this numerator by 4. 4 into 5 minus, in here also x plus 1 part is in the denominators. So here to take 12, that 4 should be multiplied by 3. That means 3 you have to multiply with the numerator. 4 into 5 is equal to 20 minus 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Denominator is 12 into x plus 1. 20 subtract 6 is equal to 14. 14 over 12 into x plus 1. Here both denominator and the numerator can be divided by 2. Let's divide this one by 2. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6 into x plus 1 is the answer. Let's move to next question. 1 over y plus 3 plus 1 over y squared plus y minus 6. Here this binomial expression you have to write as a multiplication of two algebraic terms. Then here this one is no need to change. Here y plus 3. This one let's write as 2 multiplications. Then here y squared. So in here we are putting y. Then here 6. 6 you can make how? By multiplying 1 into 6, 2 into 3, then like that way. By adding this any number you have to take plus 1. Then by multiplying you have to take minus 6. By adding you have to take plus 1. Then which numbers you can use to take that here plus 1. Then when you take here 3 as plus and 2 as minus, you can take the middle answer as plus 1. By multiplying these 2, you can take minus 6. So in front of this bracket also we are putting the same numbers, y minus 2 and y plus 3. These are the factors. Now let's take the common denominator of these two fractions. Here y plus 2 is common denominator to both. Put y plus 3. But here y minus 2 also left. So y minus 2 also you have to take as the common denominator. Then let's make the numerator part. Y plus 3 both are in the denominators. Y minus 2 is an extra part, so you have to multiply that 1 by y minus 2. Then here also answer is y minus 2. Then plus here y minus 2 also there, y plus 3 also there. So no need to multiply with this by a number. That means you have to multiply this 1 by 1. You can take the same answer. Let's simplify the numerator. Y minus 2, 1 into 1 also 1. The denominator is y plus 3, y minus 2. Then after simplifying the numerator, y minus 2 and plus 1 is equal to minus 1 over y plus 3, y minus 2. This is the answer. Let's move to next example. X plus 1 over x squared minus 4 plus 1 over x plus 2. In this denominator you can write as a multiplication to binomial expressions. What is it? X plus 1 is there, then x squared minus 4. This one a squared minus b squared. Look in this one, you can write two multiplication expressions, a plus b, a minus b. Then here this 4 you can write as a squared numbers, that is x squared minus 2 squared. Then let's write as two binomial expressions, x plus 2, x minus 2. Then this fraction 1 over x plus 2. In these two denominators you can see a common denominator, that is x plus 2, and also you have to take another part also, x minus 2. Then here denominators are equal to each other, so no need to multiply using another term. Let's take this numerator x plus 1. Then here numerator is plus 1. This one you have to multiply the left part. Here x plus 2 is there. Multiply with the other part, x minus 2. Simplify, x plus 1 multiply by 1. 1 into x, 1 into minus 2 over x plus 2, x minus 2. Then x add x, 2x. 1 add minus 2, answer is minus 1 over x plus 2, x minus 2. This is the final answer. The next question, 3 over x squared plus 7x plus 12 minus 1 over x squared plus 3x minus 4. Let's make binomial expressions. Here 3 over, write two brackets, x squared is there, put x. By multiplying 12 you have to take 7, then 12, 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. These are the multiplication. By using them you have to take 7. Let's add and check whether which two numbers you can take to make that 7. You can take these 3 and 4. By adding 3 and 4 you can take 7. So here 1 is 3, 1 is 4, both are added. This is the binomial expression in this algebraic expression. Then this one, put two brackets, x. Here final one is 4. 4 you can make 1 into 4, 2 into 2. Using this you have to make 3. By multiplying you have to take minus 4. That means there should be one number minus. Then to make plus 3, I am taking here 4 as plus, 1 as minus. Then you can take my plus 3 and multiplying these two can take minus 4. Let's put them inside the bracket. Minus 1, here plus 4. Then check whether are there any common denominators here. Here x plus 4 is common denominator to both. So x plus 4 is one common denominator, others are different to each other. So that part also you have to write as the common denominator. X plus 3, x minus 1. Let's make the numerator. Here 3 you have to multiply by which part? X plus 3 is there, x plus 4 is there, the other part is x minus 1. You have to multiply 3 by x minus 1. The other part is minus 1. X minus 1 is in the denominator, x plus 4 is in the denominator, other part is x plus 3. This one you have to multiply by x plus 3. Then let's simplify. 3 into x, 3x. 3 into minus 1 minus 3, minus 1 into x minus x, minus 1 into plus 3 minus 3. The same denominator, x plus 4, x plus 3, x minus 1. Then 3x minus x. What is the answer? It is 2x minus 3 and minus 3 minus 6. Denominator is x plus 4, x plus 3, x minus 1. This is the answer. Let's move to next example. 9th one. 1 over x plus 1 add 1 over x plus 1 squared minus 1 over x squared minus 1. Then let's expand these each denominators. Here no need to change first denominator. Then x plus 1 squared mean you have to multiply x plus 1 2 times. Then 1 over x plus 1 into x plus 1. Next part, x squared minus 1. Here 1 squared also the same answer. 1 into 1 also equal to 1. Then x squared minus 1 squared you can write as x plus 1, x minus 1. Then check whether are there any common denominators here. Here plus 1 is in the every denominator and there are 2, x plus 1 is there. So here denominator also you have to take x plus 1 2 times and x minus 1 also there, take x minus 1 as the common denominator. Then let's make the numerator. Here 1 is there, 1 you have to multiply by, here only 1 x plus 1 is there but in the denominator there are 2. So you have to multiply it by x plus 1 and another one x minus 1. Then in this denominator there are 2 x plus 1s are there. Then here also that one is there. Extra part is x minus 1. Then let's multiply 1 by x minus 1. Here x plus 1 and x minus y is there. Then x minus 1 is there. 1 x plus 1 you can see in this denominator. Then remove 1 from that denominator. Take 1 x plus 1. Then minus 1 you have to multiply by x plus 1. Let's simplify that part. You have to multiply x plus 1 and x minus 1. What is the answer? X plus 1 and x minus 1. Here you have take that same denominator, that means answer also this part. Let's write x squared minus 1. Then plus 1 multiply by x minus 1 plus x, 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Then multiply this part by minus 1, minus 1 into x minus x, minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1. Denominator is x plus 1 squared x minus 1. Let's simplify this part. There is no any squared number, so you have to write x squared, then simplify x, plus x and minus x. They are removing because answer is 0. Then no need to put x values. Then minus 1 and minus 1 minus 3. Then x plus 1 squared x minus 1. This is the answer. Then let's move to next sum. 1 over 2x plus 3 plus 3 over x squared plus 3x plus 2. Then let's write 1 over 2x plus 3, add 3 over, this one you have to write as the multiplication ones, for x and x, here 2 is there, by multiplying 1 into 2. Using this one you have to take 3, then 1, 2, by adding you can take 3. So, are there any common denominators part? No, there is no any common ones. Here 2x plus 3, here x plus 1, x plus 2, both are different to each other. So, you have to take that all as a common denominator. 2x plus 3, x plus 1, x plus 2. Then here 2x plus 3 is there. You have to take other parts and it multiply by 1. Then x plus 1 into x plus 2. When you multiply it by 1 means the same answer comes. Then x plus 1 and x plus 2 is there. Left 2x plus 3. Multiply that 3 by 2x plus 3. 3 multiplied by 2x plus 3. Okay. Then what is the answer? X plus 1 into x plus 2. It is there. That means answer is this one. Then x squared plus 3x plus 2. And let's multiply this part. 3 into 2x 6x. 3 into 3 plus 9. Denominator 2x plus 3, x plus 1, x plus 2. Let's simplify numerator part. X squared you have to put like this. Then 3x and 6x is equal to 9x plus 2 and plus 9 is equal to plus 11. Denominator is 2x plus 3, x plus 1, x plus 2. This is the final answer. Now, you can do all the exercises in this lesson.